So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're going through and creating an Instagram account, but your Instagram account is just not creating. Now, there's a lot of different ways why something like this could end up happening. Number one, the main reason why something like this is happening probably to you is because maybe your username you're typing in is already taken. Maybe it's something like that. If you're going through and if you're typing in a username and if it's already taken, well, it's not going to allow you to create an account. But if you can verify that's not the problem, nothing else that you mentioned is the problem, well, the first thing I'd recommend doing is going through and making sure that your, Instagram application is up to date. So go inside of your app store like this, go and click on the search bar, and all you're going to want to do is search up for the Instagram application. So search up Instagram, and you want to go ahead and update this app. If this app is like severely outdated, like it hasn't been updated in a long time, well, that is basically going to be the main problem you're going to run into. So go right into here, make sure your particular device and your application is up to date, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for a vast majority of people. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is probably checking your internet connection. So go inside of your Wi-Fi connection, your cell data connection, and all you're going to want to do is make sure that you have some sort of Wi-Fi or some sort of cellular data. That's basically the main thing you can try doing here too, and that is in and of itself another very, very big thing I'd recommend doing. And on top of those things, if none of those things seem to be working, you can also try going through and going into a website like downdetector.com or like isitdownrightnow.com, one of those types of websites. And all you're going to want to do is, if Instagram is down, you want to go ahead and basically wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So go right into here, find the Instagram application, and all you're going to want to do is just make sure that your Instagram app, if it's the servers are down, if Meta's down, then you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So basically the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.